Good morning, everybody. Colm Rozak here with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, the longest standing Isuzu dealership in the state of Texas. We have 3 locations: Lewisville, Texas, McKinney, and here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're looking at this 2025 Isuzu NPR-HD. This is a gas-powered vehicle with a 350 horsepower GM 6.6 liter engine maxed up with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a spray truck, a turf rider by Real Fleet Solutions. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside real quick. Hop right in and it's luxurious. So it's smooth, sleek design, very comfortable chairs. Heat and AC are fantastic. You have your 7.5-inch touchscreen display with a backup camera. My favorite part is the Bluetooth audio capability. So any music, navigation, phone calls, anything is all hands-free, which is a smoother, safer experience. You have power mirrors, doors, and windows, as well as locks on here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the back. I'll come around to that side. So again, guys, this is a turf rider body from Real Fleet Solutions. It's 12 foot in length. Hopping right off the bat, you see we have this fiberglass storage. It's corrosion mitigation, so it's a strong material set to last you a very long time. You have your backpack holders, so it's at a great height, so you can slip on your backpack sprayer, slip it off right here, super convenient. Moving on, you have your 2 25-foot spray hoses, each one connected to the 500-gallon tank, which is split 300 and 200. So you have your 300-gallon spray hose and your 200-gallon. And I can't forget to mention, you have your curbside filling ports right here, which are again split to the 300 and 200-gallon tank. These fill at 40 gallons a minute, so it's not sitting there waiting for it to dribble while it's waiting on gravity, basically, but it's engine powered, so it's a lot faster and more efficient for you guys. Coming up, the fold down ramps. These are for your riding spray trucks or your riding spray vehicles, you could say. 1,500 pound weight rating on the back here, 58-inch by 96-inch platform. So it's built for the biggest, heaviest riding sprayers. 2 twin engines on the back, again, to power that quick spraying speed. And then we have the 500-gallon tank in the back, like we said, split 300 and 200 gallons with your grip tape up here so you can step up on the platform if need be. Coming around, guys, we have more storage right here, and come take a look at this. So in each of the storage bins, they have this indented tray. So this is in case you get any leakage or spillage. It actually collects in here and doesn't drip out. So that's a lot more convenient, a lot safer. And last but not least, you have this increased space of storage. So this is no longer wasted space. You can fit a whole pallet of fertilizer back there. And the best part is with these doors, they lock and seal. So you don't have to worry about rain, you don't have to worry about theft. You can close it, lock it overnight, and keep the fertilizer in there. So it's overall just a better experience for you. So again, guys, this is the 2025 Isuzu NPR-HD with a Real Fleet Solutions turf sprayer on the back. If you like this, come and see us, guys. Give us a call. Again, my name's Colm Rozak, and this is Industrial Power Truck and Equipment.